Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this cute little Christmas tree together, so let's start it. First, we need to do a magic ring, just like this. And then for our first layer, first round, we need to do 4 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over once again to do 1 chain, and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook. And this is our first single crochet. You can always put a mark in here so we can know where to do the slip stitch for this round. And then we need to do 3 more single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. After the 4 single crochet for our first round, we put this end to close the circle. And then we take out our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. After the slip stitch, we do 3 chain. The pattern for our next round is our double crochet increase. Double crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 double crochet, and these 3 chains counts our very first double crochet in the first stitch. Then we yarn over in the same stitch here, we put our hook in, and in here we can put this little end on top of our hook to carry it. We yarn over here, and we should have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through first 2 loops, and then yarn over 2 loops. So this is our first double crochet increase. We need to do 3 more. In the same stitch, we need to do 2 double crochet. So after the last double crochet increase, we put our hook in here. There should be a little hole in here. And then to do a slip stitch, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. For the next round, the pattern is first we do 1 chain and we do a single crochet in the whole place. We put our hook in, yarn over to do a single crochet, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then yarn over to do a double crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. In the same stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops at once. And then in our next stitch, we need to do a slip stitch. So this is the pattern for this round. In the same stitch, we need to first do a single crochet, and then a double crochet. And then we need to do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, jump to our next stitch, we do a slip stitch. And after finish the very last slip stitch, we need to go to the first stitch to do 1 more slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do 1 chain, and then we can snip off. Then we just use a needle to weave those ends in. So for the next round, we need to do a magic ring first, and then put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over once again to do 1 chain. For this round, we need to do 5 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. In here, we can put a mark. And then we need to do 4 more single crochet for this round. So after the 5 single crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle. And then we take our mark in the mark place. We need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, and yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. The second round pattern is the same. We do 3 chain, comes the very first double crochet, and then in the first stitch we need to do one more double crochet, yarn over and put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops, then jump to the next stitch. We do 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then we just repeat it. After the very last double crochet increase, we put our hook in the little hole here, and then yarn over to do a slip stitch for a hook directly. Then we jump to this little part. It's the same. First we do 1 chain, and in the same stitch we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops to do a single crochet first, and then in the same stitch we yarn over, put our hook in, do a double crochet, go through first 2 loops and then 2 loops, then same stitch, 1 more single crochet, put our hook in, go through 2 loops directly, and in the next stitch we need to do a slip stitch, put our hook in and put our hook directly. Then it's the same, single crochet, double crochet, and then a single crochet. Next stitch is a slip stitch. We just repeat it. And then after finish the last slip stitch, we need to do one more slip stitch in the very first stitch here, and then we yarn over, pull our hook directly, do 1 chain and snip off. For our third layer, we need to do a magic ring first, and then put our hook in, yarn over to do 1 chain. For this pattern, 6 single crochet, and we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, our hook, and then we put a mark. Then we need to do 5 more single crochet here. After the 6 single crochet, we put this end to close the circle and then take out our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. The second round pattern is the same. We first do 3 chains as our first double crochet, and then in the same stitch we put this end on top of our hook to carry it, do 1 more double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, go through 2 loops, then jump to the next stitch. We do a half double crochet increase. In the same stitch we do 2 double crochet and just repeat it. Then after finish the last double crochet increase, we put our hook into this little hole and yarn over for our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start, and then in the hole place we first do a single crochet, then yarn over, do a double crochet, yarn over, go through 2 loops and yarn over 2 loops, same stitch, a single crochet again, and jump to the next stitch. We need to do a slip stitch, and then we just repeat a single crochet, a double crochet, and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, and next stitch is a slip stitch. We just repeat it. Same here after the last slip stitch here, and then we do 1 more slip stitch in the first stitch for this round, and 1 chain, snip off. And then for the bottom part, we first do a magic ring, put our hook in, yarn over once again to do 1 chain, and we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. Also remember to put a mark, and then we do 5 more single crochet. After the 6th single crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle and take out our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round, we need to crochet in the half stitch that is far away from us. To half stitch, we need to crochet the inner one here, the one that is far away from us, and then we put our hook in to the center of the stitch like this, and then we put this end on top of our hook. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. At once, we can put a mark. This is our first single crochet, and for this round, every single crochet we need to crochet in the half of the stitch. Just like this, put our hook in the center. And then after the 6th single crochet, we take out our mark, and then in the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Here we do 1 chain to start our next round, and for the next round is our single crochet round, but just this time we do like normally we do the full stitch. We put our hook in the full stitch and yarn over, go through 2 loops at once, and then we can put a mark. Just crochet single crochet for each full stitch. Then after the 6th single crochet, we take up our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain and then snip off. Then come to our last part, the top little part. We do 3 chain first, put our hook in, yarn over, and do 3 chain. So in the 2nd chain from our hook, we do a double crochet, we yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then in the next chain we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain here and then snip off. In here, we tie those ends together and organize it a little bit. And now we just use a hot glue to put them all together like this. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye!